Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. And this is what's jumping in my pot today. Sunday dinner, a pot roast. Let's get to it. Here's the ingredients: Worcestershire sauce, red wine, tomato paste, diced garlic, black pepper and salt, bay leaf and thyme, all-purpose flour, beef broth, onions. I have in here carrots, and potatoes. And of course, the roast beef. I have a Dutch oven and I'm going to turn it to medium low. And we're going to add a little oil to the pot. Now, to the roast beef, we're going to add a little black pepper and salt. Sprinkle a little flour on it also. Then we're going to add it to the pot. And we're going to let it brown on all sides. Our meat has been pouring for a while. I want us to do it on all the sides before we take it out and move to the next step. I've taken the roast beef out of the pot. Now we're going to move along to the next step. We're going to put the tomato paste in. The garlic. Flour. We're going to stir everything up together and let it cook for about a minute. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, we're going to add the beef broth, the Worcestershire sauce, the bay leaf and the thyme, the red wine, black pepper and salt, and then we're going to add some water. Just stir everything up. And then we're going to add the beef back into the pot. And then I'm going to cover it up and put it in the oven. I have my oven set to 375. The total time, roasting time is 2 hours. After 1 hour, I take it out and then move on to the next step. Taking the pot roast out the oven, I've added the onions and the carrots.
Are you planning to baste it?
Yes, I'm basting it now.
That keep meat tender by making sure you baste it so it will dry out.
Yes. And now I'm going to cover it up and put it back in the oven and let it cook for another 40 minutes. Now it's time to pop the potatoes in the pot. Then after that, we're going to put it back in the oven.
So how long does this take to make after you add this back in?
About an hour more, or until the roast beef be nice and tender. falling apart. Now let me baste it one more time.
It looks like it's coming along pretty good.
Yes, it is. I'm going to pop it in the oven now. Cover it up and put it back in.
Let's see how it turns out. That's looking ready for Sunday dinner. Look at that.
Yes, it is. Here you have it. Sunday dinner pot roast. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Don't forget to hit that like button.